Hello and welcome. Today's lesson is lesson number 9, and the topic is my favorite country. The aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about a favorite country. So you are able to talk about a country that you like. Okay, so let's begin. For this activity, I have chosen a country. Okay, you can change the name of the country. So the first sentence could be, I like many countries. Okay, you remember you have to go up, right? But my favorite country is Thailand. Okay, I like many countries, but my favorite country is Thailand, or any other country you like. Then you can give ideas one by one. Okay, first, there are beautiful buildings. So this will be combined. Okay, so this will become there are, not there are, it will become there are, there are. First, there are beautiful buildings. So you cannot hear l because of b here, okay? So difficult to pronounce both. Again, first, there are beautiful buildings. So what is the end here? Z. Buildings because of g, okay? No, it vibrates here. The sound is vibrating and it doesn't vibrate. So it should be z. Buildings, okay? Remember that. And you can say, they are amazing. There are amazing temples. Temple, because le, because of this, it will also be z, okay? It's difficult to show you how this happens, but because of l and then it is sound here, it will be z. So you cannot say temples, no, it's not easy to say. So the best way to say would be temples, okay? These are small little things I tell you, okay? They help you use emotions when you speak and you sound better, okay? Provided you practice, okay? And you can say, I can take nice photos. So because there are beautiful buildings and amazing temples, I can take nice photos. Then you can say, second, there is tasty food. Like tasty, the food is nice, okay? Then you can say there is healthy, okay? So this is the healthy food, okay? Remember, there is, okay, will be shortened. It will become shorter. It will become there's, okay? There's, okay. Now next one you can say, I can eat different types of Thai food. So not just one kind of food, like different, okay? So can is not like, you cannot say I can eat, it will be I can, okay? I can. So very, very soft, not very long or like not strong. I can eat, okay? So there would be a little connection here. I can eat different types of, this is not f, this is v. We say v. Types of Thai. I can eat different types of Thai food. Okay, Thai food. Okay, I can eat different types of Thai food. Okay, then you can say third. There are nice people again, right? There are nice people. Are nice people, nice people. Okay, people. Okay, people. Then you can say there are friendly people. Friendly. So they are not your friends, but they talk to you nicely, they smile, they help you, nice people. So similar. So if they are nice, they are friendly too. Okay. And you can say, I can talk to the people. So the like the Thai people, okay? And then you say, like, in the end, in a nutshell. Nutshell, this means like finally, okay? Like overall, like in the end, okay? So it's a new word I'm giving you here, nutshell, okay? In a nutshell, I love Thai architecture. You remember, not finished? Food and people. So and will become an, okay? Just an, and people. Just to help you, I wrote n here, okay? Nutshell, okay? Architecture. What is architecture? You see like how it is made, this temple. Yeah, the design, how the buildings are, how buildings look, the design, okay? So this, like the shape, this is architecture. So I think you can like architecture wherever you go. If you go to different countries, you have different architecture, okay? I'm sure you can use these sentences generally everywhere, okay? Let's see what we have got. So if you talk to people and the question is, they ask you this question, what's your favorite country? Okay? Okay? What's, remember? What's your, not your, what's your favorite country? You say, I like many countries, but my favorite country is Thailand. First, there are beautiful buildings and amazing temples. Okay? So amazing, beautiful, okay, like interesting, a similar meaning, but like when you look at the buildings or temples, you like them a lot, so you feel really great about the buildings or temples. I can take nice photos. Okay, I can take nice photos. Second, there's tasty and healthy food. So as here it became in, it will also become in. Okay, there's tasty and healthy food. I can eat different types of Thai food. Third, they are nice and friendly people. And I can talk to the people and make new friends. Okay, and okay. In a nutshell, I love Thai architecture, food, and people. Well. So some information about Thailand. So two sentences. So if you look at this one, I have used two sentences into one. So two sentences became one by adding and, and. Okay, all right. So let me read it one more time without stopping. So people ask you, what's your favorite country? You say, I like many countries, but my favorite country is Thailand. First, there are beautiful buildings and amazing temples. I can take nice photos. Second, there is tasty and healthy food. I can eat different types of Thai food. Third, there are nice and friendly people. I can talk to the people and make new friends. Yeah? In a nutshell, I love Thai architecture, food, and people. Okay? So I hope you got some new ideas about a country. So you can talk about your favorite country by changing some of the information. All right. So keep practicing, and I'll be back with another lesson very soon. Bye bye.